If you're having difficulty in connecting your Eufy doorbell, then carry out these methods. Now my Eufy doorbell was connected before, but now it's not connecting due to having a change in my broadband. So this is the procedure that I followed. Go to Settings, General, click on Change Wi-Fi. Allow the location. Press and hold the sync button on your doorbell. Scan the QR code with your doorbell camera.
Connecting to the Wi-Fi network, please wait.
After waiting over a minute, it said connection failed.
Failed to connect to the network. Please try again.
Now let's try the next method. Go to remove the device and add again. Press the plus sign that is on the top right, add device, select video doorbell, now scan the QR code at the back of the Eufy doorbell. Let's connect with Wi-Fi first. Enter your Wi-Fi logins.
Until you hear the beep.
Go through the setups again.
Connecting to the Wi-Fi network, please wait. Failed to connect to the network. Please try again.
Right, it still hasn't connected. Let's try again. This time we'll select connect to Homebase, as I've got a chime installed and it's connected. Select connect with Homebase.
Press the sync button until you hear the beep.
Do note that my chime is on and it's acting as a Homebase. So if you do have a chime added in your device, it's Homebase you have to select.
Connecting to the Wi-Fi network, please wait. Setup was successful.
But remember, if you have changed your network, then you have to go through this setup on the chime, making sure that they both are on the same network. Stay safe guys, peace.